Okay, I have a massive problem. I just joined this company a week ago and no one trained me. Now my manager has come in saying that we ordered 200 boxes a week ago that have now arrived at the store and now I need to create the purchase receipt for it. How do I do that?
Okay, don't stress. This is totally manageable. The key thing is you don't want to create a purchase receipt from scratch. Yeah, click into buying first.
Okay, I don't see anything called purchase receipt here. What do I do now?
Click purchase order in the left sidebar.
Okay, I see a purchase order. Where do I click from here?
The one that says to receive and bill, that's your one.
Okay, so where do I create the purchase receipt from now?
Perfect, you're in the right place. Now hit that create button up top.
Cool. So I see purchase receipt. I'll just click that then.
Perfect, click purchase receipt right there.
Okay, so this is information from what? The purchase order? Do I need to like edit some of this or?
It's already looking great. 200 boxes are in there. Supplier's correct. Just close that getting started pop-up and hit save.
Cool. So is it like submitted now or do I need to do something?
It's saved. Looking good. Now just hit submit up in the top right to make it official.
Okay, looks good.